This is my estimated revenue for February 2023 on YouTube, $37.79. I'll also be showing you my current lifetime analytics, so stay tuned for that. But I had about 22K views, 600 watch time hours, and I gained 168 subscribers. So overall, this was better than January. It looks like I did gain less subscribers, but that's okay. Everything else went up, including my revenue, which is awesome. So I'm very happy for that. And for some reasons why my revenue isn't higher is because my watch time per video is a little bit low and I make a lot of money, I feel like, during the ads within a video. I try to make my videos longer than 8 minutes. However, this video is going to be pretty short because I just want to get right to the point for you guys. So my RPM is only $3.35, and that's another reason why it's not a lot of money, because my RPM is just so low. I know it could definitely be worse, but there's other channels like mine that are making over $20 per RPM and things like that, and I'm not sure why mine is so low. I feel like it has to do with my views and watch time, because my topics are actually quite popular, like making money online and finances and starting a business, entrepreneurship, like content creator. Those are pretty popular. So I'm not entirely sure if that's why it's low. That's why I'm kind of leaning towards my views and watch time being the reason. Because I don't always get a lot of views per video, and my watch time is lower than it probably should be. But looking at my previous income so far, February is my best month yet. It has slowly been going up, which is great that it's going up. Obviously, I wish I was making like $100 a day, but it's fine. We all start somewhere, and I'm just going to keep creating videos and keep trying to help you all out as well. And my top performing video is how to start KDP in 2023 for free, which is really interesting to me. Like, I'm really happy that there's a new video earning content or earning money. And then it's the coloring book, which has been a top one for a while, the resize Amazon KDP cover, scrapbook tutorial, and then the other coloring book video. So those I've seen before, or at least most of them. Looking at my lifetime, I've earned $138.48 with YouTube. And so far, my highest day is the very first day I was monetized at $3.42. And I think that's because my RPM was a lot higher then. I think it was maybe like $14 potentially, or 8. I'm not sure. I don't remember which, but I just know that it was higher. And the coloring book video has made me the most money by far with $31.40, which makes sense because that has over 20,000 views and is I think it's long enough for in video ads as well. I'd have to double check, but I'm pretty sure it is. And then the previous 7 days, I've actually had finally over $3 day again, $3.21. And then March 2nd has been $2.59. So I'm really hoping it continues to go up, and I'm just going to keep creating videos and kind of seeing how it's going. And I'll show you my analytics here as well. So I didn't get monetized until November 7th. The rest of the time I wasn't monetized yet, but that's when I met all the requirements and then I was accepted into the program. So overall, throughout my entire history of the channel so far, I've had 158,000 views, 6.4K watch time hours, and I have 2,606 subscribers currently. So I'm really happy with this. Actually, views, I'm too short of 150,000, but it's fine. I'm sure we will get there, but I'm really happy with this. Obviously, I want YouTube to be like a full-time income for me, so I'm hoping this money can continue to grow and get better, but I'm super thankful for everything. So thank you guys so much for watching and listening, and I hope that you have a great day.